Today we've been to a sports camera factory to inspect the goods, and I'll show you the Chinese factory as it really is. We have arrived downstairs of the factory and can see delivery trucks. Piles of goods are being prepared for loading. Go upstairs. Now we are on the 5th floor. First, there is a pile of packing cartons in the door, the warehouse, where there are already made. Unshipped goods and packing color boxes. Well, let's go to the production line to see. The workers are busy. Is it the same as you think? I'll pick a few at random and test them later. Let's continue. Is the cute girl responsible for testing the memory card? No, she is installing the software. The tattooed boy is testing the charging. Add the display screen. The test is complete, and they start to fasten. Battery. Semi-finished products. Finally, something fast here is the assembly line. Gift box. We are here to the last step, accessories and charging cable. Packing is complete, and start packing. After packing, time to weigh and measure the volume of cartons. The finished product is done. Let's test the finished product and try to use it as a customer who bought it. It seems a little stuck. Well, thank you very much for watching The Real Factory. Is it different from what you think? Manufacturing in China still depends on lots of workers, so quality is often a headache. Have a great day, and see you soon.